In this video, we'll show you the omni-channel capabilities of Clerk Chat inside of Microsoft Teams. To get up and running with Clerk Chat, go to the apps, search for Clerk Chat, and add to your environment here. As long as you're signed into Microsoft Teams, you'll be signed into Clerk Chat as well. So as you can see here, I have a few phone numbers. This is my main phone number within Teams, the 720 number. If I go to calls, it's the same phone number for calling. We also have our main sales line, the 888 number, and I have it enabled for SMS, WhatsApp, and RCS. Clerk Chat works with any underlying phone carrier, whether you're using Operator Connect, direct routing, or Microsoft calling plan. So if you're using Operator Connect, we work with any of these carriers by default. So let's go back to Microsoft Teams, and I have my iPhone here on the side, and what I'll do here is I'll reach out. So as you can see here, we have the native Microsoft Teams notifications enabled. You get an alert here. Here's the phone number that came in. We have automated AI assistant enabled as well here. As you can see, it's auto replying, but what I can do here is I can reply happy to help and send an emoji. And as you can see here, the message comes in. And this phone number, our 888 number, is our resource phone number associated with a call queue, but you can go in and click connect and enable any of your phone numbers here with a few clicks of a button. You don't have to worry about porting. You don't have to worry about complicated setups. It works like magic. So now let's do this. Let me switch over to WhatsApp. And hello, I need some help with the order. And I'm gonna send a message. As you can see, the native Microsoft Teams notifications work. And if I go to WhatsApp inbox, as you can see, here you go, it comes in. So I can say, there you go, instantly it comes in. And what I'll do is I'll include image of this. Send. So now let's switch over to RCS. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna follow up. And if I switch over to my messages, here I have a message, and I can say the order was fantastic. And as you can see, this works with RCS as well. So now we can enable verified business messaging through Microsoft Teams on your business.